The dedicated panel of the fire alarm host is connected to the fan and water pump controller through modules. There are usually two types of wiring methods. The first method is to connect two sets of wires. Start wire and stop wire. Start wire and stop wire. This set is feedback wire. The second wiring method is to only connect the starting wire. Do not connect the stop wire. So how to choose the wiring method? Open the fan and water pump control cabinet. These three relays. Two relays with green lights are DC relays. This one with a red light is an AC relay. This is the starting relay. This is the stop relay. This AC relay is used to control the coil of the AC contactor. The choice of two wiring methods depends on this AC relay. If it is set to self-locking, then both the start and stop wires must be connected. When the starting relay is powered on, the 220V AC power circuit conducts to form a self-locking mechanism. When the stop relay is powered on, it disconnects the self-locking of the 220V AC power circuit. The entire system stops running. If this AC relay is not set to self-locking, just need to connect the starting wire. When the starting relay is powered on, the circuit is conductive, and the 220V circuit remains continuously conductive and in working condition. When the starting relay loses power, the circuit will disconnect. The 220V circuit will disconnect and stop working.